Today I'm going to be doing a cartoon custom.
Coming in, flex, I just wanna win.
That's right, so today I'm going to be customizing my Air Forces, and I actually already customized these Air Forces, and I couldn't find the thing that I need to get the paint off of it, so I just decided to paint on top of it and like add it to the custom. But today I'm going to be painting with Posca pens to see how they work out on the shoes. And yeah, but the customs I already did before was with Angela's paint, which I used in my last video with the Vans. And yeah, so let's see how it goes. And yeah.
Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, state your name, been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just flipped the pain, stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming. Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action. Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10. State your name, been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn we did it again, I just flipped the pain, stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything, swimming you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming, I put my low racks on it, I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it, see the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin, money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming, coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action, bitch, I'm active. If you never heard of being dope, he's just napping. Jackson's off the rapping, keep it on my body. I'm broke if you ask it. Coming in, flex.